Hello, friends, and welcome to day 1 of our 30-day Rise and Flow journey. Today, we'll gently move, twist, and stretch to detoxify the body, awaken your energy, and reset your mind. This flow is about creating a strong foundation for the next 30 days of building strength, flexibility, and focus. Let's begin seated in the center of the mat. Attune to your breath. And as you inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. As you exhale, take a gentle twist, placing the right hand behind you and the left hand to your right knee. Gaze over the right shoulder and just enjoy this gentle first twist. We're going to be working with different types of twists today. Twisting helps to wring out toxins from the organs, the tissues, and the muscles. So use your breath to help promote the detoxification in each of our twists. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, let's twist the opposite direction, pulling the crown of the head up toward the sky as you gaze over the left shoulder. Begin to establish a steady rhythm of breath in and out through the nose. With each inhale, feel that you're bringing in all that you need. And with each exhale, you're letting go of that which doesn't serve you. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. And exhale, draw the hands down to the heart center. And now let's gently make our way onto our hands and knees, shoulders above the wrists, hips above the knees, and we'll just begin to feel into our bodies by taking some hip circles. I like to get the shoulders, the head, and the neck into this movement as well, so don't worry about what it looks like, just feel into your body, taking big circles with the hips, noticing where there's tightness, where there's restriction, and just begin to let that go with your movement. Today's class is all about moving in a way that feels good to your body, so it may look completely different than what I'm doing, and that's exactly what it should look like for you. And now let's reverse the circles, taking them in the opposite direction. Moving as fast or as slow as your body needs, getting the spine into the movement, deepening the breath along with movement. Start to really tune in to how your body's feeling. And now come back to center. And let's begin to shift the hips back toward the heels, coming into a child's pose. And then vertebrae by vertebrae, roll forwards into an upward facing dog. As you exhale, send the hips back. And as you inhale, come forward, drop the hips to the mat, warming up the body, becoming aware of where the restriction lies so that we can release it through our movement. Exhale back. Inhale forward. And from here, let's tuck the toes and begin to shift back, this time into a downward facing dog. Take a moment to pedal out through the feet, bending one knee and then the other, not rushing to get into any position. And when you're ready, you can sink both heels down toward the mat, lift the toes, then sink the heels. Lift and lower. When you're ready, you can move into stillness, sinking the heels down toward the mat, finding a deep breath. And now let's step to the top of the mat. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale, forward fold, Now inhale, gently roll up one vertebrae at a time. Sweep the arms overhead and draw the hands to your heart center. We'll warm up with some sun salutations now. As you breathe in, reach the arms up and overhead. As you breathe out, draw the hands through center, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale. Step the left foot back, lower the left knee down to the earth. Just pause here. And now let's step back into a high plank pose. Lower the knees and the chest and the chin to the mat and gently slide forward into cobra or upward facing dog, meaning elbows are bent or straight. And then press it back, downward facing dog. Step the left foot forward, lower the right knee, gaze forward, open the heart, and then step the right foot forward. Fold over the legs, roll yourself up to standing, reach the arms overhead, exhale, dive forward again. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, right foot to the back of the mat, lower the knee, plant the palms, and step back, high plank pose, lower knees, chest, and chin. On your inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot forward, left knee down. Feel the stretch. And then step that left foot to meet the right and come into your fold. Gently roll yourself up to standing. Sweep the arms overhead as you inhale. Hands through the center as you dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift, getting long from crown to tail. Exhale, left foot steps back, lower the knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up alongside the ears. Stay here this time. Feel the stretch. On your next exhale, left hand forward, right hand back. We'll take that 2 more times. Left hand forward, right hand back. And again, twisting, detoxifying. And now take your twist. This time stay here. Draw the hands to your heart center and bring that left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Stay here. Or if you'd like a little bit more, you can come onto the left toes and lift the left knee up and off of the earth. Stay here in your twist for several deep breaths. Let the breath promote the detoxification, strong, fluid exhalations, and then deep inhales, drawing in all that you need and letting all that you don't need move out of your body, out of your breath, out of your system. Now let's lower the gaze down to the mat, and then we'll step that back foot forward to meet the front foot, staying in the twisted chair. If you fall out of this, don't worry, just come right back into it. If it's comfortable, you can gaze up to the sky. One more breath here. Good. Now let's untwist, reach the arms up and overhead, draw the hands to the heart center, come into your forward fold. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, step back to high plank pose. Breathe in, and on your exhale, press back to downward dog. Let's ripple forward to high plank. Exhale, bending the knees, coming back to downward facing dog. We'll take that a few more times to help open up through the spine, the hamstrings, the entire back body, moving with breath. Inhales take you forward. Exhales take you back. Make this as fluid as you can. This time, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Gaze forward and walk or jump to the top of the mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, roll up to standing, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, palms through the center as you dive forward. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, plant the palms, step the right foot back, lower the right knee down to the earth. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead, coming into our low lunge. And let's take our twist, moving that right arm forward, left arm back, flowing with your breath. Exhale to twist. Inhale to reach. Exhale to twist. And now this time, hold the twist, bring the palms to center, and let's bring that right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Press the palms together, and if you'd like, go ahead and lift the right knee off of the earth. In these balancing positions, find a single point of focus for your eyes. That's really helpful to help you remain steady. And of course, if you feel unsteady, then just lower the back knee. Listen to your body. Poses aren't supposed to look any certain way. Gaze down and then step the back foot forward, staying in the twist, twisted chair pose. Breathe it in and breathe it out. Softly release. Inhale to Utkatasana chair pose. Exhale to dive forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, walk or jump back. And then let's take those ripples again. Inhale to ripple forward to high plank. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Inhale forward and exhale back. Inhale, ripple forward, shoulders over the wrists. Exhale, press it back. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, back. And now let's hold this next one, coming into our chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Press it back. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Let it go. From here, let's bring the right knee toward the middle of the mat, dropping the shin down, and then sink down to your right hip and swing the left leg across and over into a seated spinal twist. Another deep, wonderful twist here. Reach the arms overhead, and then the right arm will wrap around the left knee, left hand around behind you. Gaze over the left shoulder. Coming back into that deep nasal breath. And as you're here, think of lengthening the spine up through the crown of the head. Inhale and exhale. Gaze forward. Awesome. We'll now come back to center, plant the palms, and simply step back to downward facing dog. Inhale forward, and let's flow through our chaturanga. Exhale, press it back, downward facing dog. And now this time, the left shin will come to the earth, and let's wrap the right leg around, placing the right foot to the outside of the left knee. Inhale, arms overhead, and exhale, take your twist, wrapping the left arm around the right knee and gazing over the right shoulder. Once again, think of lifting up through the spine, almost as if someone is just lengthening vertebrae by vertebrae, crown of the head getting tall. And then come into your breath, full inhales and exhales. Gaze forward, arms reach overhead, and then let's plant the palms, step it back to downward facing dog. Breathe in, ripple forward. Exhale, take your chaturanga flow. Up dog to downward facing dog. Take a deep, full breath in and exhale. Let it go. Well done. From here, let's lower down to the knees and sink into a child's pose. If you prefer a different pose for your final relaxation, drop into whatever pose induces stillness of body and mind. And then let's gently rise up to the knees. Reach the arms overhead, elongating the spine once more, and then draw the hands to your heart center. Thank you for joining me for day 1 of Rise and Flow. Take this feeling of lightness with you, and I'll see you tomorrow as we continue to build consistency together. Namaste.